If you need to find the last login IP address in Namecheap CPanel, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to look so you can find it fast without wasting time digging through menus. This is useful if you want to check recent access, verify where someone logged in from, or simply confirm your account activity. If this video helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account and open your cPanel dashboard. Once you're in Side cPanel, look over to the right side of the screen. This is where Namecheap places the general information panel, and it usually has the key account details you need at a glance. In that right side menu, look for the section labeled General Information. Inside that section, you'll see several account details listed, and one of them is the last login IP address. That is the IP address from the most recent login session, and it can help you identify where the last access came from. Just read the value next to last login IP address, and that's it. You don't need to open any extra tools, install anything, or go into advanced settings. It's all available right there in the cPanel sidebar. If you're checking this for security reasons, take a moment to compare that IP with your own device or network, especially if you are not expecting a login from that location. And if everything looks normal, you're all set. So to recap, open Namecheap cPanel, look at the right side menu, find general information, and read the last login IP address. That's the fastest way to do it. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick how-to guides like this one.